In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw your Zoho job application. If you've made the decision to step back from a job opportunity at Zoho, either because you've accepted a different offer or perhaps because things have changed, it's important to properly withdraw your application. This process ensures transparency and maintains good relationships with potential employers, which could benefit you in future interactions. To begin, you'll need to log into your Zoho Recruit account. This is your main access point for managing job applications you've submitted. If you're facing issues accessing your account, make sure to double check your username and password and retrieve them if necessary. Once you're logged in, you should be on the homepage of your Zoho Recruit interface. Next, look for the Applications tab or section within your dashboard. This is typically where all your job application activity is stored. Clicking on this will bring you to a comprehensive list of all the jobs you've applied for through Zoho. Navigating this section is crucial as it helps you keep track of each application status and make informed decisions about them. Now carefully browse through the list to locate the specific job application you want to withdraw. Depending on your history with Zoho, this list may be quite extensive, so take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct application. It's helpful to have the job title or the company name at hand to make this search quicker and easier. Once you've pinpointed the job application of interest, the next step is to find an option that allows you to withdraw it. This option could be labeled as Withdraw Application, Remove Application, or something similar. The keyword here is to look for terms suggesting the removal or cancellation of your application process. Keep in mind that this option is your confirmation point to take yourself out of consideration effectively. Before finalizing, you might encounter a confirmation prompt. Zoho will generally ask you to confirm your intention to withdraw. This is a standard verification step to ensure that the withdrawal is deliberate. If prompted, simply confirm your decision. It's a good way to double check your intent and avoid accidental withdrawals. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently withdraw your job application from Zoho Recruit. Remember, maintaining professional courtesy by letting employers know about your decision is always a good practice. So if you can, consider sending a brief note to inform them about your withdrawal. This little gesture might leave a positive impression, keeping doors open for future opportunities. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful for your needs today.